पिछले 10 दिनों में मैंने इतना खाया है कि अब मेरी थोड़ी फट रही है। आई एम गेसिंग एटलीस्ट 3-4 केजीज वेट गेन हुआ होगा, बिकॉज इस दौरान ना मैंने जिम किया ना अपने स्टेप्स कंप्लीट किए। आई थिंक ऑन एवरेज आई वाज ईटिंग anywhere between 5,000 to 6,000 calories per day. So 3 to 4 kgs of weight gain is expected. Now जो भी weight आएगा उससे हम 500 ग्राम माइनस करेंगे because I have already eaten breakfast. 84.3. That's not bad at all. 84.3 से अगर हम 500 ग्राम माइनस करें तो कितना हुआ? 83.8. यानी 10 दिन नॉन स्टॉप खाने के बाद भी मेरा कितना गेन हुआ? सिर्फ 2 kgs गेन हुआ। 2 kgs तो I can easily lose in like 2 weeks. So now that I'm back to Bangalore, I'm back to the grind. I'm going to go to the gym now. We're going to deadlift. And after that, I'm going to meet Shefali. That I can't miss, okay? After coming back from Goa, at least I need to go tell her what all happened. आज काफी हल्का सेट ले रहा हूँ मैं. Only 160 kgs because I'm deadlifting after 2 weeks. बेल्ट भी टाइट हो गई यार. That was chill. भाई वर्कआउट हो गया. I'm actually quite happy with how my deadlift moved. Considering that I've not deadlifted in 2 weeks, that's a pretty decent session in my opinion. Now I have changed my clothes, नहा लिया हूँ, and it's now time to go and eat. But first, I'm just gonna go play cricket. Just on the way यहाँ पे बच्चे क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. I'll just join them. ये देखो guys मेरे दोस्त लोग. आजा हाय बोल.
हाय.
अभी 2 बॉल डालेंगे मेरे को, ठीक है? मैं बैटिंग करूँगा. हाँ डाल सैफ. विराट कोहली वाला शॉट. अबे डेड बॉल. ये बॉल फॉरवर्ड इतने. 4. अब मारूंगा सैफ तेरे को. वॉच निकाल दी मैंने. स्टे विद बॉल. हार्ड कोहली. ये बच्चे हमारे एरिया का फ्यूचर हैं, बट व्हाट डू आई से, ओल्ड इज गोल्ड. हम लोग अपने ज़माने में क्या खेला करते थे आपने देखा होगा, राइट? सम क्लासिक शॉट्स दैट आई जस्ट शोड. बट एनीवेज आई एम नाउ रेडी, हेडेड टुवर्ड्स द मेट्रो. लेट्स गो गेट सम फूड. डज इट लुक लाइक आई हैव गेन्ड फैट?
You are fat.
Not that you have gained fat, you are fat. Huh?
Lose some weight, Mohit.
We out here at Chai Point and we've gotten a ginger tea. Sugar free of course, because Shefali is the sweetener.
Should I dip my finger into it?
3 more times you rehearse. Should I? Yeah, dip your finger, please.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, I'm having a crash right now. I'm feeling a little low on energy. Can you cheer me up, please?
This is starting to taste like Diet Coke in a hot form.
I don't know what goes on in Shefali's mind, but I want scientists to like study her brain. Like, what the fuck does she even think?
Bro, that artificial sweetness is what I'm talking about. That aftertaste that lingers on your tongue.
I said I'm having a crash. Can you cheer me up?
I'm cheering you up by telling you shit that doesn't matter.
Guys, आज सुबह मैंने बोला था that it's time to be back on diet. So only healthy foods today. I'm eating chicken tikka with chef. We are at Aladdin and we've got an Alishan tikka.
You know, I've been eating chicken tikka for the last 3 meals.
You didn't cook chicken at home?
No.
Today how was it?
It's good. Fresh.
Nice.
You know how we were shitting on Bangalore English, like basically shitting on ourselves? Shashi Tharoor said, it's okay to speak that way.
Who is Shashi Tharoor? Why should I listen to him? Huh? Is his English so good that I need to take validation from him?
Yeah, it's actually really good.
You don't sense my sarcasm or what, bro? I don't know what I was thinking by ordering just 2 plates. I got a third one also.
I only ate the 2 of them.
Exactly. When you're with Shefali, you need to over-order. Bro, the Shefali eats too much. We're going for a 4th round now. Are we overeating?
No, it's protein.
That's what I like to hear, guys. She said, no, it's protein. Bro, the Aladdin guy realized that we are too hungry and he gave us 2 plates in one.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm confused.
This is customer service top tier. Eat.
There's no such thing as a lot of protein.
Let's go. After belting 4 Alishan tikkas, we are now just walking because we don't know what to do now. That was almost equivalent to dinner.
Yeah.
Okay, not equivalent to dinner, but it was quite a bit.
Equivalent to the amount of chicken I eat for dinner.
That's true. That's true. Guys, remember this gelato place, 11 Bakehouse? इसके बगल में ही एक नया walking pathway खुला है. They call it Walk-in Street. Let's go check out what they have. First shop is sandwich, which Shefali is not a fan of. Even before trying, she's already confirmed that it won't be good.
Because I don't like sandwiches.
Then there's a bubble tea shop.
Oh,
Would you like to try, chef?
it's orange green tea. Thank you.
This is orange, huh?
Yeah,
How is it?
that is refreshing.
Well, you can have a look of other.
Bro, that orange tea was really good. So we're going for one sugar-free variant.
Testers work, bro.
Testers work, huh?
Yeah.
So it's clear, guys, if I'm with Shefali, I cannot get shredded. She is the reason that I'm fat, okay? So we've decided that we're going to go to Forbidden Fruit for dinner. Here we are at Forbidden Fruit, our second time here, and we really like the food here, don't we?
Yes, I asked for some hot water to undo my fucked up throat.
What happened to your throat?
That iced tea.
This is why you shouldn't drink cold drinks in winter.
I read some theory on Instagram that a cold drink or like cold weather doesn't give you a cold.
I would like to disagree because I'm always sick in winter,
A
bro.
doctor said it.
I would like to disagree because I believe in n equals to 1 science. For those who don't know what that means, it's basically your experience is what you give the highest weightage. Shefali is asking me if I missed her when I was in Goa. You don't think I missed you?
No.
I called you first thing in the morning.
Yeah, because nobody else would be awake. I'm busy looking for clothes for my birthday.
I already bought you a birthday dress.
Need one more.
Why?
Dinner, lunch.
Oh my god, guys, girls are so complicated. I bought one jacket last week and I wore it to Goa, Bangalore, everywhere. Bobby's, the chicken banh mi is here. Is your favorite sandwich a vada pav or a banh mi?
A vada pav.
Guys, this banh mi is top tier. Bro, I did not expect that. A piece of bone.
Yeah.
Yeah, that could have hurt me. Time for the pho, Bobby's. Shefali's been asking for this pho for the last 2 months.
Yeah, and I think you had it once without me.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't?
No. Why would I come here without you?
Ooh.
Yeah, I always take you everywhere I go.
Yeah.
Oh,
So comforting in this weather.
super yummy. Okay, let's try the noodles, Bobby's.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Yeah.
It's meant to be eaten hot.
Fine, burn your tongue.
The broth is so good. Shefali is drinking it out of the bowl. The bowl is bigger than her head, Bobby's. It's literally covering your face. Bobby's, that was dinner at Forbidden Fruit. I really like the pho there, but it is, end of the day, just broth. So it fills you up with liquid. I know that in an hour or two, Shefali and I will both get hungry. So we're considering now if we should go for dinner number 2 or should we just shut the fuck up and go home? Because we both could lose some weight, right?
No.
Okay, I could lose some weight. We're trying to complete our steps right now. Shefali has done 6K, I have done 16K. So if we both get 4K, we'll complete our daily quota. Right?
Yeah.
You will get 10, I'll get 20. That's where I'd like to be. Guys, December kya aa gaya? Indiranagar is now too crowded. Anywhere and everywhere, there are just people lined up. Bangalore mein Christmas season means full sending it, huh? Correct, no chef?
Yes, it's a very pretty season, and December is the best month of the year because Shefali is born in December.
Shefali's birthday is in December, guys. That's right.
Wish me in the comments, guys.
Abhi nahi, there's time for that. We'll make a birthday vlog where she's supposed to wear the dress that I bought her.
I'll think about it.
No, hello.
Okay.
I paid 4K for that dress. Shefali wants to sell her car, Bobby's. I'm telling her, please don't sell. But she's like, it's been 6 years. It's now time to upgrade. I'm telling her that there is no upgrade from a Polo GT. It's the best car ever, bro.
Bro, if they launch Polo again, I'm sure I'll buy it again.
When Shefali and I don't know where to go to eat, we usually come to Chinita. What are we eating, boss?
A Mexican chicken rice bowl.
We're getting a rice bowl, Bobby's. When you don't know what to get, just get a rice bowl. Chinita is packed today and they have their Christmas decor on. Check this.
Oh yeah. I didn't notice.
Packed, right?
Yeah.
You look good in this lighting. Here is our burrito bowl. Look at that. I asked for no cheese because the cheese makes no difference on this.
I actually asked him not to put extra chicken because I've eaten too much chicken, but then he didn't listen.
Yeah, I told him extra chicken out of habit. And then Shefali reminded me, why the fuck do you need more chicken today? You've already eaten 4 chicken tikkas.
So there was like a lot of chicken in that pho also.
It's okay. What did I say? You can't say no to extra protein ever. We are fortunate to be able to eat so much protein.
Yes. Thank
Right?
you, God.
Thank you, YouTube.
Not like y'all are paying for our dates, but
Actually, this channel makes no money.
yeah, like
This channel makes no money. I do this channel out of passion. I told you now when I started this channel, it's a passion project, it's a hobby. I really like making videos of my life. And Shefali is my life. Now that's why she's in all the videos.
sure, guys, sure.
See, whenever I'm nice to her, this is how she reacts. And you guys think I am the toxic guy in the relationship.
Maybe I'm toxic.
Caught in 4K, guys. No more of you guys judging who's toxic. We're both equally toxic. That's why we're meant for each other.
Somebody had commented now. I think y'all are getting toxic. What if they're already toxic?
Somebody commented that.
Yeah.
Guys, we are already toxic. We are not getting toxic. We are already toxic.
Yes. Shake hands on that.
Correct. That's why we're made for each other. Instead of ruining two other people's lives, we decided let's ruin each other's. That was a really good dinner at Chinita. We are both full to the brim, but lalach ki koi seema nahi hoti. So now we want hot chocolate because the weather is calling for it. Not because we want. Actually, let me rephrase that. We don't want hot chocolate, but the weather is forcing us to go get hot chocolate. So I'm going to pull up a recommendation from our YouTube comment section. The last time we asked for hot chocolate, there were some people who recommended a couple of places. So somebody recommended a place called as Over Coffee. It's on Laville Road, which is great because we have to go home from that side itself. So we'll go try this hot chocolate at Over Coffee and we shall let you guys know how it tastes. Bobbies, here we are at Over Coffee, Cafe and Wine Bar. Somebody recommended this place for the hot chocolates. So let's see. Let's see if OK Mohit subscribers are giving good recommendations. Bobbies, here's the place. It's too pretty. Isn't it, chef? Just check it, bro. They have the Christmas decor. It looks really nice. Now let's order the hot choc. Guys, I just asked my waiter for the hot chocolate and he said it's sold out. What?
I'm so sad.
I am so upset right now.
I don't know. How can you run out of hot chocolate?
Yeah, it's just chocolate, bro. We've gotten a tiramisu instead of the hot choc. I know it's not the right replacement, but something for our sweet tooth, right?
Interesting. I'm still sad. I'm recovering.
You're recovering? It's okay, we'll see if this is good. If this is good, you'll recover.
Maybe.
Maybe, she says.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, I really like that. Very similar to Lupa, right?
Very, bro. Like, very, very close.
Very close. Bro, that was the second best tiramisu that we've had. And considering the price, it might be the best bang for your buck. This was just 400 rupees. Lupa tiramisu, which is the best, is 800 rupees. So half the price, but almost the same level of taste.
Yeah.
Same level, right? Almost.
Yeah.
If Lupa is a 10, this is a 9. That's how close it is.
Yeah.
You must try it out, huh? If you're in the Laville Road area. Actually, if you're in Laville Road, you can try both Lupa and Over Coffee.
Was this better than Kopi Tamla?
Yeah, Kopiti Amla is much more indulgent, meaning it's heavier. Kopiti Amla is something that you want to eat when you know you don't give a fuck about your body. It's like I want to kill myself tonight, that's when you go to Kopiti Amla. That thing is loaded with cream and sugar.